Hey, John Bross with Harp & Angle. We're gonna go install a shelf, and I don't have time for this video, so see ya. So this is Josh. He's
Hello.
Hillbilly welder.
Hillbilly welder, man.
That's Josh himself, Hillbilly welder.
Hey. Yep.
He's a part of the installation crew. No, it's not all that he does around here. He's actually my right-hand fabricator. He's the best in the biz.
Things out of metal.
Metal fabrication experts. Kind of feel like Wilson from Home Improvement, except for the fact that you can see my whole body. Can't really see my face from here. Hey, how's it going? This is a little bit of like a last minute aesthetic to the shelving. We originally were going to do 4 shelves, and then we got the size of the TV, and it was slightly bigger than I anticipated, so we decided to go with just the 3 shelves, and then we added this braided mesh here to the sides just to add a little bit more to the aesthetic of it. But get these into clear coat, deliver these hopefully in the next day or so if it doesn't rain. Seems like it rains in every single one of our videos, but it's kind of a fall thing around here in Rockford, Illinois. Would you believe this is pine? Would you believe you made it to the end of this video of us installing a shelf with some wood? Would you believe that you're standing in the wood shop at Harp & Angle? Maybe not, but I would. If you would be so kind, please click the subscribe button below and the little bell icon to see some more wood videos. And if you would want to see us again, that's the best way to do it. So me and my wood are gonna go put this wood on that wood shelf, because if a woodchuck could chuck wood, it would.